got so many parts. This is motherboard. It's called RAM also. 16 GB. 16 GB plus 16 GB makes 32 GB. This is called SSD. This is Intel Ever. This is called Office Sky. This is cooler. This is something else. This is cabinet. Hello, we need tools. We bring us two screwdrivers.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. This will put now.
Mount the processor with the arrow marking. Close the cover. Don't push it. Just release it. Put the cover and then lock it with the lever. Then remove the cover to mount the SSD. Remove the heat shield which is there. Remove the cover. That will help us in transferring heat from the SSD. Mount it over it and then mount the screw. While fitting the SSD, it has to go 45° in. Put the cover and then mount it. Remove the cooler fan. Mount the bracket. Align it with the holes. Put the sockets. Push it so that it goes into the motherboard. Then press it, and then you can put the pins. 4 pins are there which will make sure it locks it. Then you can put the paste. Put the paste in a cross form, or you can put it and then spread it out with some credit card or some spreader. Like how I have done it, you can do it like that. Okay. Then remove the cooler. Below the cooler there is one cover. Remove that cover. Mount the cooler with the brackets. Mount the ramps. Remove the cover of the cabinet and mount the SMPS. Put the IO plate. Put the motherboard. Make the 4 screws tight. Put the graphics card. Mount all the cables. Arrange all the cables. Bring it properly. Mount all the fan inputs. And voila, our PC is ready.